Today, we're creating a rotating transition to add a smooth and dynamic spin effect between clips. Let's dive in. Start by adding two clips to your timeline and placing them back to back. Head over to the effects library in the edit page and search for the rotate video transition. Drag and drop it between your clips to apply the effect. By default, the transition applies a simple spin, but you can adjust it to fit your style. Click on the transition in the timeline and open the inspector panel. Here, you'll find options to choose the spin direction, either spin left or spin right, depending on the look you want. To make the transition smoother and more realistic, enable motion blur. Adjust the motion blur sliders to fine tune the amount of blur during the rotation. If you want to change the speed of the transition, simply drag the edges of the transition in the timeline to extend or shorten its duration. With just a few tweaks, you now have a seamless and cinematic rotating transition in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips.